Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove duplicates in pivot table Google Sheets. So let's begin. Apply method on. First of all, select data, go to insert tab and pivot table, create a new sheet and use rows, add rows, use method on name, then automatically remove duplicate. Again change apply method 2, again rows name and find value name, and now see this count of name Karim 2, Nila 1, Rahim 2, Sadia 2. Okay, and apply method 2 for best way. Simply click, go to source data, select, go to data tab, data cleanup and remove duplicates. Remove duplicates. And use only single column. Select single column, go to data tab, apply the same process, remove duplicates. Now use properly clean up pivot table. Now use clean pivot table. Suggested or use customly, use manually added rows, column, values. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.